that ever happen to you when the battery in your key fob dies and you can't get in your vehicle? So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to actually get into your vehicle, start your vehicle, all without having a working battery in your key fob. So what we'll do here is, the first thing is we're going to slide this toggle switch over to pull out the hard key, like that. We're going to insert it in the keyhole that is not hidden and easily able to be found. If there's a battery in the vehicle itself, when you open the handle here, the window will slide down to allow access. And there is. Vehicle. You want to start it up, you want to get out of wherever you're at so you can go get a new battery. Put your foot on the brake, start the car, nothing happens. So the system is going to tell you exactly what to do. To start, hold remote near the start button. You have to hold it there long enough until it says it's ready to start. Once it does, start it like normal, and you're good to go. So that's how you can get out of a situation when the battery in your key fob is completely dead. Next, I'll show you how to replace the battery in here so you never have this happen again like I did. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your key fob. I get asked this quite a bit. I have a lot of friends that have Acuras and Hondas. Big surprise, right? So there's currently three or four different styles of key fobs, and luckily I have almost all of them because of the cars that I have. So the first one is the standard Honda key fob here. As you can see, it's relatively basic, it's pretty straightforward. Just like in the NSX and everything else, you're going to slide over the toggle. It's a lot easier to pop open because it's not connected very much around here. So you slide it in just at the beginning of the hole here, twist it up towards you, opens up, and replace the battery. Super straightforward. The next one is the Acura fob that's out right now, and this one has a remote feedback on it. So if you go to lock your vehicle, it'll give you a feedback here that shows in green when it's actually connected to the vehicle. So that's super handy for remote start, for making sure it's locked, things like that. But yeah, again, same thing. Slide over the toggle here, insert the hard key just into the tip, twist up, open. So really straightforward there. And as you can see, there's a lot more clicks on this one because of how much more secure it is. And something that I noticed too between all three of these, the Acura one is a lot lighter. So I don't know what that says about the quality or perhaps the mechanics that are in here, but these just feel a lot heavier in your hand. Even when you're comparing the size that's similar to the NSX and the Honda key, the Acura key is much heavier. So this is our culprit that we need to replace. Again, slide over the toggle, pull out the hard key. We're gonna stick it in just a bit to pop it open. There we go, so we have access now to the battery. All these use the same CR2032 battery. It's a 3-volt. You can find them at most hardware stores. I get mine off Amazon because obviously I have a lot of keys that need replacing. And I have a small flathead screwdriver here. Just go in and pop out that old battery. We'll put the new one in and see if it works. Looks good. So we'll put this baby back together. And that's it. So in that time it took, we could have replaced 3 batteries. It's really simple and really straightforward. Make sure that you don't insert the key too far in. In most of these, there is a plastic sheath that the hard key fits into, and if you stick it all the way in and pry it open, you're going to break those plastic pieces right off. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.